Good evening. My name is Febrian. I am on behalf of Group 5. Will present you a week 3 data warehousing business intelligence presentation. An overview of this presentation includes what is business intelligence, what is data warehousing, architecture design and terminologies such as OLTP versus OLAP, ETL, data mart, and metadata, as well as the conclusion of this presentation. What is business intelligence? Business intelligence refers to a set of methods and techniques that are used by organization for tactical and strategic decision making. It leverages technologies that focus on counts, statistics, and business objectives to improve business performance. The relationship between business intelligence and data warehousing. Data warehouse is a consolidation of data from various of sources that is designed to support strategic and tactical decision making. The main purpose of data warehousing is to provide a coherent picture of the business at a point in time. How it is related to business intelligence is that company, especially successful companies, believe that the result of the relationship provide them with an up-to-date, accurate, and integrated information about their supply chain, product, and customers, and are critical for their survival and successfulness. However, the disadvantage of this relationship can come from security aspects of the data itself. The characteristic of data warehouse is that it's a centralized, which means that an unauthorized personnel might access the data and leak the sensitive information for the benefit of other individual or company. An architecture of data warehouse. The most common data warehouse architecture are 3 tiers architecture. It comprises of bottom tier, middle tier, and top tier. The bottom tier is comprised of database, data warehouse servers, and is usually in form of relational database system, where data is cleaned, transformed, and loaded into this layer using backend tool. On top of middle layer tiers is the OLAP server, which is implemented using either ROLAP or MOLAP model. For instance, this application tier, the middle tier, will present an abstract view of the database. The top tier is in a front-end client layer. The top tier is the tool and API that connect and get data out from the data warehouse. An example of top tier of data warehouse architecture could be a query tools, reporting tools, analyze tools, and data mining tools. Here we present an image of the data warehouse architecture with its component. Architecture terminology. OLTP versus OLAP. What is it? So OLTP is a transactional processing, while OLAP is analytical processing system. In other words, OLTP is an online database modifying system, and OLAP is an online database query answering system. Move on to the ETL. It stands for extract, transform, load. It's the process that extracts data from different source systems. And with the calculation, it transforms the data and then load the data into the warehouse system. Move on to data mart. Data mart is a subject-oriented database that is often a partition segment of enterprise data warehouse. The benefit of data mart or the use of data mart is accelerate business process by allowing access to relevant information in a data warehouse or operational data store. Due to the nature of data mart, it is the most cost-effective way to gain actionable insights quickly, so that the on-demand information can be gathered in a timely manner. Lastly, metadata. Metadata is important. To use the analogies, metadata is a reference to a data. So metadata summarize basic information about data, making finding and working with particular instance of data easier. So we're going to wrap up this presentation that we discussed the what is business intelligence is and its relationship with data warehouse, its advantage and disadvantage. We also explore the architecture, which is the most common architecture of data warehousing, 3 tiers architecture, bottom, middle, and top tiers. With that, also we discuss and elaborate more about the terminologies, the key terminologies of data warehouse and its architecture. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good night.